Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So we work on our plane, YZ plane. First thing we pick our circle tool, come to the center here, draw our circle radius 40, enter, then draw our circle radius 60 again. 60, enter, zoom out, right click here and okay, then we pick our line tool. From here we come backwards for 115. That's 80 plus 35. Then we go upwards 10. Make sure the lines are straight. Then we connect it back to the circle. Right click and OK. Next, we are drawing two circles with diameter 40 and 25. Pick our circle tool. Come anywhere up here. Diameter 22. Enter. Then another one, diameter 40. 40, enter, cool, right click, okay. Then we are being told we pick our dimension too, because we are being told from the center to the top is 60 in distance, 60 mm, right? So we pick our line too. Let's draw a line from this center. Okay, we'll be trimming it from center here, yeah, to the floor, 90 mm, right click, okay. So let me come back here to trim. I just need my line to be straight, right? Offset. So I want to offset this line to this direction, and the distance is 4 because the thickness there is 4. Enter. Then we offset to the other side also. Distance is 4. Enter. I click OK. Then we'll pick this guy. We delete him. Then we click on extend. Touch this guy and touch this guy. Right click, okay. Then we'll come back to our line 2. Now our drawing is a cone upwards. The height of that circle is 30. So of the cylinder is 30, right? Then coming outwards to the, okay, let's do, yeah, to the left hand side. That's the radius is 30. And the diameter is 30, so we go radius 15. Enter. Then bring it back to sit. Make sure the line is straight, that's what matters. Okay, sorry, let's zoom in again. Then we'll pick anywhere, just not the center, stretch it downwards. Make sure your line is straight. Okay, now we'll pick our dimension to touch the center. I will want to make that distance 8 because the diameter is 16. And right click, okay. Now pick our line to from the center here, green light. We want to stretch to this guy. We use our tangential constraint to adjust things. So tangential constraint, touch and touch the circle. Cool. Okay. Okay, so also don't forget we pick our line too. We connect. Sorry, we have to close. I need to close this point. Right, close, right click. Okay, then pick our trim. Then I'm cutting off excess portions, things I don't need precisely. Yeah, right click, okay. Finish sketch. Okay, so let's go ahead and extrude. Come to extrude. We know this guy and this guy are 80, but we use symmetric. Right, then we'll click on plus. This guy and this guy, as the straight line behind, they are both 54 plus 16, which is 70. Right, I'll click on plus again. Now the plus we want to touch, yeah, this man alone this time around. We are cutting length 54, I'll click on OK. Sorry, I need my sketch back. Make my sketch visible. So now we are revolving. So I touch this guy. I revolving. So revolve this guy, and my axis is this guy.